Hi, Tom here. The first step is to draw a horizontal line and then a vanishing point on the right and two lines from the vanishing point going towards the left for the side of the bridge. Next, draw two sets of vertical lines for the two main columns of the bridge and then the base of the columns going towards the left. And then we can draw another line using the vanishing point on the right for the edge of the columns. Next, draw two more vertical lines to show the left-hand side of the columns to create two squares. Next, add another line from the vanishing point going towards the left, and then between the two columns draw a cross. Where the cross meets, draw a vertical line which represents the center of the space between the two columns. Mark a point above the vertical line and draw a curve. Repeat this several times to draw all the curves of the bridge, and at the top part of the curve, draw a horizontal line to join the left and right sides of the curve together. Next, you could add some more curves to create an edge which is higher than the original curve, and then we could put some railings on that later on. So at this stage we can copy some of the shapes that we've already drawn. So the curve on the right, we could repeat that on the left, and then in the foreground on the left we can add some extra lines receding towards our vanishing point on the right. And then in the corner on the left we could add another curve. And then on the right hand side of the main arch of the bridge we can draw another arch using the same technique. Next we can draw some lines to represent the base of the columns, some vertical lines. At this stage we could probably darken some of the lines, getting ready for some tonal contrast later on. And then we can draw some lines, horizontal lines, underneath the bridge and the steps of the curve of the bridge. And then some vertical lines for the railings at the side of the bridge. Next, we could darken some of these horizontal lines underneath and above the arches of the bridge, ready to add some tonal shading. And then some vertical lines to indicate some reflections in the water, and a little sketch of a landscape in the background and maybe some rocks on the right. And then we can start adding some tonal values, particularly dark underneath the arches of the bridge and the rocks on the right and the water, leaving space for reflections of the lighter areas in the water. And then we can tone up the background landscape just using soft tonal values, getting lighter as they go towards the horizon. And then we've got a basic drawing of a bridge. So this is a quick version of this drawing. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw and like to join my online drawing courses where you can see step by step how to draw in real time, please visit circlelineartschool.com where you'll find full details of my online drawing courses for beginners. Thanks for watching and see you next time.